Welcome to IT networking. How to install OneDrive and how to sync your basic folder, your local folder in Windows 11. So simple, you search on Google OneDrive download, and then click to this link. Download OneDrive, get Microsoft OneDrive app and mobile, and click to download. Now this is downloading, so please wait few minutes, and then when click to open when done. We are getting thing ready for you. So guys, then you search to search bar OneDrive, and click. And guys, simple, you login. If you don't have a account, so create account and then login. So this is simple guys. Okay guys.